Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice buffet that we're going to redo. So follow along and, well, hit that subscribe button. Alright, overall this piece is in pretty good condition. There is some scuff marks and some little dings which we expect, and we're going to sand most of that out. So first thing we got to do is remove all the hardware off the drawers, pull the drawers out, check the subframe, and then from there we're going to sand it, we're going to paint it black, we're going to scuff it up a little bit, and then wax it, and then our client can have it back. So we're hoping for quite the transformation from this worn out wood look to a nice deep modern black. So let's get the hardware off, let's check the subframe, and we'll go from there. Drawers and doors are coming off. Alright, we got all the hardware out, we got the drawers out, all the tracks are nice. So everything looks really good on this piece, so now we can start sanding. Got my DeWalt sander, 80 grit sandpaper. Most of the surfaces here are pretty flat, so we'll be able to do about 90% of this with that, and then we'll take the sandpaper off to do any of the edges here that we can't get to, fronts of those drawers and things like that. So we got about an hour of work of sanding ahead of us and cleaning and vacuuming. So let's get started. Alright, we've sanded it down, we vacuumed it out, we wiped it down, and we can start painting. So, what we're going to use is our Behr Prime and Paint here. It's called black. Very simple color. It's a really dark shade of the black, so that's perfect for our client here. We're going to put it on 2 coats, then we're going to do a heavy scuff on this job. Put the hardware on, give it a wax, and get the final pictures. So, we'll spend the next about hour and a half giving this a nice good coat over everything, hopefully, and then we can start on the next part of it. So I've already painted inside here to kind of give you an idea what it looks like here. That's 1 coat that covers real nice. So let's get started on this drawers, and then we can start on this frame. Alright, we painted it twice, we let it dry, and now what we're going to do is scuff sand it for our client. Now we're not going to go crazy on this piece, we're just going to do some of the edge work and such. That's it today. So it's going to be super easy. Now this is a step that you could definitely skip if you wanted to leave it solid. No problems there. So let's get it done. Let's scuff it up a little bit. The old 80 grit sandpaper here. We'll do the fronts of the doors, the backs of the doors, parts of the inside, all the drawers, and all the frame. Just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of a vintage look. And then we can start waxing this piece. So let's get started. Alright, we did our light scuffing, and now we're going to apply our mini wax here. Mini wax paste finish, natural. Got an old sock. We'll just go over the piece nice and easy, wipe on, wipe off, and we'll have this piece done. So the next time you see it, well, it'll be complete and ready for our client. So let's get started. Alright, here it is completed. We used Behr Prime and Paint. Color was black. We put 2 coats on. We scuffed it up just lightly. We waxed it, put it all back together, and well, the end product is quite amazing compared to what it was to start with. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, leave us a comment. We always look forward to those thumbs up also. And well, I think this is a project that you could handle at your own house with some simple tools.